Welcome to Unexpected Mini Mail number 2. Let's get cracking. I'm going to start with this one. I know what's in here. Let's see what it says though. Does it say glasses? Well, they're not really glasses, but they are for my glasses. How do I open them? Wow. Oh, there we go. These are attachments for my glasses to magnify when I'm working. This one is it says a little number just here. You can't even see it, but I'm going to try to find, that's a 2 times. This one is a 2.5 times. This one is that a 3? 3 times, and this one is a 1.7. I think that's 3. Okay, let's try the 3 times. So, as many of you know, I wear glasses, and when I'm doing a live stream, for instance, or even just taking a video, whoa, can everyone see that? Now let me turn that around. Whoa, look at that. Crazy. So, yeah, when I'm doing a live stream, or any type of video where I'm sitting away from the desk, I find it really hard to focus on small parts because of the distance that I am away. And I mean, obviously a magnifying glass is one way of dealing with it, but this is another way. So here are my glasses, which are pretty filthy. I'm going to put these on just like this. That's how it attaches. Talk about nerdy. And when I put them on, I can, wow. Okay, so they're really good for close-up work, but not for distance work. So this will be really great when I'm doing close work. I'm not going to show what they look like because I'm sure I look absolutely stupid wearing them. So there we go, they just clamp on. That's exciting for my close-up work. I look forward to being able to actually see what I'm doing for a change. Woohoo! Next! Okay, I know what this one is. Everyone should know what this one is. What does it look like? It's round, it's hard. Ta-da! Yes, you are correct. It is some Kapton tape, or whatever they call it in China. Does it say what thickness? I can't remember what thickness it is. It'll be in the description. Could be 20 millimeters wide. I've got some Kapton tape. Yay! I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I've got some. We have EL products. I don't know what that is. Let's find out. No idea what's in here. EL products. Ah, this is a TTP229 module that's got 16 capacitive touch inputs. This, I'm going to slice my fingers open. So I know Brian Locke has been playing with capacitive touch with this actual module. So I actually ordered this module so I can play with it, and a whole bunch of these ICs so I could potentially use them. I've got an idea for a project I wouldn't mind playing with. I'm glad that one's come through. What is this one? Removal tools. GJ06 something. I don't know what removal tools is. What is removal tools? Right, here are my other Pogo pins. Now these are the spear ones. I kept calling the other ones spear ones in my last mini mail. These are spear ones. These are, whoa, pretty sharp. You probably can't see how sharp that is. They're very sharp. Excellent. So they're the 2 different type Pogo pins that I got, so I can make some test rigs. Next, this is heavy. Description of contents, connector cables, 2 lots of connector cables. Oh, I may have mentioned in my coffee warmer video that I was actually out of these cables. So I ordered some more. I should have actually ordered a lot more than these. So I've got 5 of the male and 5 of the female. These are 2.1mm jacks used for power. My idea is I cut them and use them on my tiny dev boards or other projects. I definitely need to invest in a whole lot more of those. Okay, this is number 6. ICD3C. That really explains what's inside here. I don't know. These ICs are square. Okay, these are 10 MPU-6050 ICs. These are accelerometer 3-axis gyroscope, or 6-axis, or something axis. I totally forgot I ordered these. So these are supposed to go on, again, a project of mine that is kind of stalled at the moment. It's not stalled on the electronic side, it's stalled on the mechanical side of how it's all going to fit together. But the idea was that it would have the ability to sense movement as part of what it is. So hopefully at some point I'll get to show you what that is. But that's what they are. I'm going to break my rule and do one more. It's a special one, because it's from Adafruit. Woohoo! So I ordered some stuff from Adafruit, and I actually got it sent by the post. And it took a while to get here, but it's pretty exciting, and I wanted to open it here and show you all what it is. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So the first thing is the last missing piece. I said that my long extension cable for my Pi camera was the final missing piece to be able to put a camera on my Mark III, but it's actually not. This was the missing piece. This is an adapter that lets you plug an extension cable on to make it longer. So I forgot that I had that coming from Adafruit, so that's cool. I've got, we'll leave that one to last, I've got a mono 2.5 watt amp module. I've got some speakers. I wanted to have a play with what I could do with a module, an amplifier, and it's fairly cheap, and I was getting an order anyway, so I didn't have to pay extra for the shipping. So that's cool. I got also, I think I got two different types. Or maybe I didn't. This is a 6-pin AVR ISP adapter mini kit. So it's just a breakout board that has different arrays of pins on them. I'm going to use this and put some Pogo pins in there for my programmer, so I can plug anything into it and anything out of it and be able to use Pogo pins. Again, pretty cheap from Adafruit. I got a bunch of these. I think these are going to be super useful. These are the wire connectors. They're double end connectors, so 2 wires, and then you literally push down. Can you see there? Push down to get a wire in and let go, and it holds it, clamps it together, and it's for joining wires together without having to use, it's like one of those screw terminal ones, but they're pretty easy to plug stuff in and out. So quite often I just need to extend a wire or do something. I bought a whole bunch of them because I think they're going to be useful. I'm always looking for something like this. So that's very cool. What is in this box? I don't recall what's in this box. Oh, did I order another one of these? Well, I guess I have 2 extension cables now. I think that was an accident. Okay, 2 extension cables. But the star of the show, everyone, the reason I wanted to open the Adafruit box, this is what I've been waiting for as well. It's an ItsyBitsy, but it's the new M4 Express ItsyBitsy. Now, I did want to also get a Feather M4 Express, but they didn't have any in stock. So this here has got the SAMD M4, the SAMD 51 chip on it. It's 120 megahertz. It's got full floating point. It's just an amazingly fast chip. I think the only chip I've ever played with, or the only microcontroller board I've ever played with that's got anything this fast or faster maybe, I think it's 140 megahertz, is the particle photon. This is a tiny board that's got so much power. I cannot wait to have a play with it. I'm going to actually potentially use this to also learn how to code in CircuitPython. Obviously I do all my coding in C, in the Arduino IDE. I've dabbled a little bit with Python just on the Mac, but I wouldn't mind learning CircuitPython. And obviously it's an interpreted language, but this is such a fast microcontroller. It's got so much memory. It's just an amazing little board. I want to see how fast it is. I want to have a real play and see if I can push it to its limits. So, there you go everyone. This is Unexpected Mini Mail number 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. To all my new subs that I've got in the last week or so, wow, thank you so much. You helped me get across the 1,000 sub mark, and that's just amazing. Don't forget to hit me up on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all the links are below in the video. Until next time, bye!